pụtara internet ruo today. Here but the first time m ga-ekwu ewuru akwa. All this while ọ na-eme ekumeku. Aka ka anyị na-adị ya na ntị. Akwa wo ya ọba n'ide mmiri. Ụzọ adụrọkwa. Akwa ya okpo ya ọba n'ide mmiri. Onye ya na chi ya so. Na ọkwanụ chi na-edu. Akwa wo ya ọba n'ide mmiri. Ụba sikwanụ na chi. Ịghọtara aka na ntị ka anyị na-adị ya. Ma mgbe anyị pụtara n'ịntanetị anụ a wee bịa gwu ya. Na that new Anambra law maka ya waka eji hibie aka na ntị ka anyị na-adị ya. Mana ya adọsigo ya bụ aka na ntị, and the worst has happened. What must we do now? It had a very crucial time in the life of almost all traditionalists, in as much as Akwa did not stand with us from time immemorial, but we cannot disregard our own. Why? Because Akwa is not the target. You people don't understand. Akwa, Akwa but the target. I see no. But Akwa. If we ignore all of us, you understand, especially our brothers and sisters in Anambra State, two people are not safe. The governor is a servant to the people. You understand? Not a dictator to the people. The people of Anambra did not elect someone to come and be a dictator for them. So now, Ojije Akwa before observation. Kaimalugo defend this thing. Na fabundo omenala game. Are they gonna protest? It is for observation only. After observing, you understand, just like Mbe Joyeze Jesus, and the Joyeze Jesus will observe, no yes man of the people as he thought. That the people know they give shishi. You understand? So, Akwanan is under observation, and we must all come out and defend him, come what may. 2021, I am on Facebook, I say that, Nawali Febokite, actually. Way back 2021. Nawali Febokite, no kite boka or no cast. No, they may exist, and no, imago that kind of thing. Alright? So, no maka, on a day like this, can somebody like Akwa, on a tamper human being, Akwa, boy ujo. Akwa to blow we are no jo. Akwa no ben kita na aboja or buy mono. Call follows a human being. Akwa aha tamper human being in his works. And so far, any evidence whatsoever to prove that Akwa is desecrating the land. Even if he's desecrating himself. Even if he's feeding lies to the people. Any evidence whatsoever, Akwa na-egbu mmadụ no ifem na-ekwu na magula akwụkwọ. So we Igbos must hasten up. Whether we are going for protest. The problem is not even Akwa. The problem is that the government of Anambra State does not want tradition to function in Anambra State. So from side to side, he's going everywhere. Do you understand? He wants to shake the people. He wants to tamper with the people. And we have no evidence whatsoever that the government or the governor in question is a Christian. You should be careful of people who want to protect Christianity against our ancestral ways. Those are the people we must be very, very careful of, all right? We should be careful of people who call others saboteurs. Those are the people we must be very, very careful, all right? For the first person that said that so person is a winch, is the actual winch. What am I trying to say? at a point like this, maybe Igbos should come together and go for protest. It's simple. Not because of Akwa, but for our fundamental human rights. Yes. Freedom of worship should be allowed in Anambra State again. Your Excellency, Governor Soludo, if you make governor, Obulo ki ibe sindi mmadu ekpe na luchifa. Obulo ki ibe yendi sindi mmadu melushi otua religiously. You are not a religious governor. If you make governor in the first place is for you to fix the land, which is what you must face. Detecting error in your territory and deciding to make correction is no issues. The issue is, it's all okay. Have we told you how bothered we are about morning evangelism? Have we told you? Is a bother, is a pain in the ass, and there is no evidence whatsoever that Jesus has ever healed anybody in Igbo land. No single evidence. No single evidence. Has a Christian ever been invited? Say go see that it is as we thought. And when a parade, the cripple can see, and the this water, and the eyes, and this happen and that happen. Have the Christians been have they been probed? Why are you now probing your father? Your Excellency, do you realize that Igbo is older than you and your entire existence? So at a point like this, to the people of Igbo land, either go on protest. At this time, when we are going for protest, we go to the government house. Not to go about loitering around and the governor is not affected. No, we go to the government house to exercise our anger. It's simple. It's as simple as that. So not because of Akwa Okuko, because Akwa Okuko is called testing microphone. Mana because of the religious stand. Why? Why? Why can't you say sex is no Manilo? Why can't you say sex is the last speaker? Why can't you say that? The seat of governor is not designed to last forever. The position of a governor in office today has always been like it is historic. If I be very repetitive, quite repetitive, that no ye chicha oye for yours that chair. So it's not something to come and carry on your head. It's not something to carry on your head. And to the people of Anambra, who are called traditionalists, who are traditionalists indeed, who feel affected one way or the other, they are coming for all of you. One by one. Do you understand? The war is not just about Akwa Okuko, it's about the traditional worshippers. We, the traditional worshippers, must decide now whether they want to go on protest to shout, "We do not agree." Do you understand? Or we agree. If the traditional worshippers in Anambra are not going on protest, it is a yes. If they go on protest, it means they do not agree. Talking on social media does not affect the government in any way. It's when they say physical move towards the reality that should be the real thing. Do you understand? Look at a governor that have not asked a pastor to prove. A governor that has not asked a pastor to prove that the lame can walk. A governor that cannot investigate the pastor is investigating traditionalists. Such is a no. The governor must understand why we placed him there. Do you understand? And that the chair cannot stand the test of time. So many people have also sat on that chair he is sitting on today. And anybody military, he make it an Igbo, one way or the other. So fight Igbo spirituality, one way or the other. Must remember that before me, there was, and after me, there would be. And I, myself, cannot stand the test of time. I said no mas ka na-eji ka na-eji proverb agwa okwu. So obere ife ọzọ ọ nwata ka ọ bụ age is not a maturity, action is maturity. Okay, anybody that is against the ordinary Igbo right now is a child and must be corrected by whatsoever means possible. When I say whatsoever means, I am talking about protest. The people demanding for that, which is their right, simple and short. Before I say, what do you mean whatsoever means? You start digging bullshit, get out.